Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In 1661, Louis Roman XIV shocked his court by imprisoning Nicolas Fouquet, his finance minister. Fouquet was not just any minister. He was a man of immense charm and influence, whose grandiose displays of wealth and power had made him a prominent figure in France. But here is what he missed. In a world where the king's word was law, Fouquet's brilliance and ostentation became his undoing. The Sun King, ever vigilant of his own supremacy, saw in Fouquet a rival rather than an ally. Law 6, court attention at all cost. In today's crowded world, being invisible is the same as being irrelevant. To wield power, you must be seen and remembered. This law teaches us the importance of visibility in a world where attention is a currency. It is not enough to be talented or hardworking. You must ensure that others recognize your contributions. In the court of public opinion, those who are unseen are quickly forgotten. Meet Nicolas Fouquet, the man who dazzled France with his wealth and charm. Born in 1615, Fouquet rose through the ranks, becoming the superintendent of finances under Louis Roman XIV. His grand parties and lavish spending made him the talk of the town, and his estate at Vaux-le-Vicomte was a testament to his ambition. Fouquet's ability to court attention was unmatched, but in doing so, he inadvertently set himself on a collision course with the king. Louis Roman XIV, the Sun King, was not amused. Fouquet's brilliance threatened to eclipse his own. The king, who prided himself on being the center of the universe, could not tolerate a subject who outshone him. In the game of power, a pawn outshining the king is swiftly removed. Louis Roman XIV decided to act decisively, ensuring that his own star would remain the brightest in the firmament. In September 1661, Fouquet was arrested. His downfall was swift and brutal, orchestrated by the very king he served. The charges against him were numerous, but the true crime was his audacity to shine too brightly. Fouquet's arrest was a stark reminder of the dangers of overshadowing those in power. In the court of Louis Roman XIV, there was room for only one son. Why did this happen? Envy and insecurity are powerful forces. When you outshine those above you, you become a target. In the intricate dance of power, it is crucial to manage the perceptions of those around you. Fouquet's failure to do so led to his downfall. His story serves as a cautionary tale about the perils of attracting too much attention from the wrong quarters. Attention is a double-edged sword. It can elevate you, but it can also isolate you. Fouquet learned this the hard way as his once celebrated status turned into a liability. In the quest for power, being the center of attention can be both a blessing and a curse. The key is to balance visibility with discretion, ensuring that you remain in the spotlight without becoming a target. In your career, being noticed is crucial, but remember, never outshine your boss. Instead, highlight their strengths. By doing so, you not only secure your position but also gain their favor. This strategy ensures that you remain indispensable while avoiding the pitfalls of envy and rivalry. In the workplace, the art of subtlety can be your greatest ally. In group settings, make your presence felt. Speak up, but ensure your contributions support the group's goals. By aligning yourself with the collective vision, you enhance your standing without overshadowing others. This approach not only fosters collaboration but also positions you as a team player, a vital node in the network, not the center. Remember these 3 points. Always court attention. Never outshine the master. Use attention wisely. These principles are timeless, guiding you through the complexities of power dynamics. By mastering the art of visibility, you can navigate the intricate web of influence with confidence and poise. Attention is power, but wield it with care. Next, we'll explore how to make others work for you. Understanding the nuances of influence is key to achieving your goals. Join us as we delve into the strategies that can turn the tides in your favor, ensuring that you remain a step ahead in the game of power.